But I would encourage lots of idea we have, and we were chatting here in the on the dais, and I'm very pleased to see that lots of people have shown interest. So they can also support various entrepreneur in whatever way they can give it. So we would like to request, and we will further help you in preparing the proposal, and see that if some of the people can be really get the resources other than we are supporting. And I hope lots of people will join hands with us. As Prahlad Joshi said, time has been changing a lot. The whole world is looking to us, and even whole India is looking to villages. But it was quite interesting process while we went through. We started in the May and concluded this everything in October. So it was quite interesting experience to talk to around more than 500 entrepreneurs, those who are in their own way, nothing to do with foundation or someone, their own way they are doing small thing and different part, and making the difference, making the change at various district of Mumbai, Karnataka. And you know that now you are winners, so it's time to celebrate and see that how you can take your business from you start or take from X level to Y level. And we'll work with you guys for another year, and see that the way Shravani or Shashi was speaking here, the same way we can have all these 16 people standing here and telling their interesting, and as Prahlad Joshi said, fantastic story. I was just encouraged because every entrepreneur has its own kind of charm in their own business. I have seen the business plan. I felt that at the end I wish I had lots of money. But because we have a limited amount of resources, so there are lots of good business plan. But we have only announced the 15 lakh rupees to award the different participants. So by the limited constraint, that's why we have selected a few number of candidates. But I have no doubt that there are lots of other good ideas can be supported. I have a limited resource, but I think I know the people who are sitting in this line and this line, they have a lots of resource. And would like to encourage them all to join hand with us, and how they can support the other business idea also. And so I would encourage, don't leave these guys. आप लोग ये सारे बैंकर्स बैठे हुए हैं यहाँ पे, और जाने से पहले आप जरूर इन्हें अपना बिजनेस आइडिया सुना के जाइए.